Unbelievable trick for getting rid of cockroaches with aluminum foil balls. Let's face it, nothing ruins a peaceful home faster than the sudden, horrifying sight of a cockroach scurrying across your kitchen floor. These sneaky little creatures are practically survival experts, managing to thrive in nearly any environment. They can survive for weeks without food, feast on almost anything, and even hold their breath for over 30 minutes. Fast, elusive, and seemingly indestructible, they're the uninvited guests that just won't leave. But what if I told you there's a surprisingly easy, affordable way to rid your home of cockroaches without chemicals or costly products? This simple hack requires just a few items you likely already have around the house, and the results will blow your mind. Ready to reclaim your home? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to outsmart these pests using nothing more than sugar, baking soda, toothpaste, and, believe it or not, aluminum foil balls. This method isn't just effective, it's also wallet-friendly. So let's get started. Step 1. Understanding what attracts cockroaches in the first place. Before we dive into the hack, let's break down why this mixture works so well. Cockroaches are drawn to sweet scents and decaying organic matter. That's where sugar comes in as our secret weapon. Sugar, a cockroach's favorite treat, is like a magnet that draws them in and makes them curious. But here's where things get crafty. When combined with the right ingredients, sugar turns into a Trojan horse that spells disaster for cockroaches. Step 2. The simple ingredients that make this method effective. Sugar, the sweet lure. To start, grab a tablespoon of sugar. Why sugar? It's simple. Cockroaches are attracted to it as an easy, irresistible food source. It's the bait that ensures they can't stay away. Imagine a delicious buffet. This is how sugar lures them right into our trap. Baking soda, the secret weapon. Next, we're adding a tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is not only safe for us to handle, but it's also lethal to cockroaches when they ingest it. Think of it as a hidden explosive for these critters. Once they consume the baking soda, a chemical reaction takes place inside their bodies. As baking soda reacts with their stomach acid, it creates gas that their bodies simply cannot handle. This causes the internal reaction that brings them down. Gross, but effective. Toothpaste, an unexpected pest repellent. Our third ingredient? Toothpaste. You might be surprised, but a small dab of toothpaste can actually do more than freshen breath and whiten teeth. Thanks to its chemical makeup, toothpaste repels insects like cockroaches, flies, and even mosquitoes. Just a tablespoon in our mix will work wonders in keeping cockroaches from hanging around once they realize this is a deadly feast. Step 3. Creating the magic mixture. Now that we've covered why each ingredient is important, let's get to the fun part, making the magic mixture that will finally send those cockroaches packing. Follow these simple steps. Combine ingredients. In a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and a tablespoon of toothpaste. Use a spoon to blend them until they form a paste. Roll it into a ball. With the paste ready, form small balls using your hands. The paste should be firm enough to shape, so don't worry about getting a little messy. Wrap in aluminum foil. Next, wrap each ball in a small piece of aluminum foil, making sure it's sealed well. This keeps the paste fresh and allows you to control where you place each trap. Poke holes for the scent to lure cockroaches. Here's the clever part. Take a toothpick and poke a few small holes in each foil ball. This allows the scent of sugar and toothpaste to escape, attracting cockroaches straight to the bait. Step 4. Strategically placing the aluminum foil balls. Now that you have your bait, it's time to put it where it will be most effective. Cockroaches typically hide in dark, damp places, so focus on the following areas. Kitchen cabinets. Place the foil balls in the back of your cabinets, especially under the sink or where food crumbs are likely to accumulate. Bathroom corners. The bathroom's moisture makes it a prime location for cockroach activity. Place the traps in hidden corners or under the sink. Dark corners of rooms. Look for other areas where cockroaches might feel safe, like closet corners, storage rooms, or behind furniture. Since cockroaches are nocturnal, You may not see immediate results during the day. But don't worry, when nighttime rolls around, these critters will sniff out the sugar, go for a taste, and experience the effects of the baking soda. Step 5. Watch as the cockroach invasion comes to an end. It may seem too good to be true, but this trick truly works wonders. Within days, you'll likely notice fewer cockroaches. As they're drawn to the bait, consume the baking soda and carry traces of it back to their hiding spots. This method can take down even the larger colonies. The combination of sugar, baking soda, and toothpaste is irresistible to them but deadly upon ingestion, meaning they won't return to bother you anytime soon. Additional tips to keep your home cockroach-free. While this DIY cockroach remedy works wonders, prevention is the best defense. Here are a few more tips to make sure cockroaches don't make a comeback. Seal entry points. Look for any cracks, gaps, or holes in walls, windows, or doors, and seal them. This prevents cockroaches from sneaking into your home in the first place. Clean up crumbs and spills. Since cockroaches are attracted to food, keeping a clean kitchen and promptly cleaning up spills or crumbs will reduce their interest. Empty trash cans regularly. Don't leave food waste lying around in trash cans overnight. Take out the trash regularly and keep the can tightly covered. Fix leaks. Cockroaches are also drawn to moisture, so fix any leaky faucets, pipes, or standing water to make your home less hospitable. Why this DIY cockroach remedy is a game changer. Unlike expensive pest control solutions or chemical sprays, this DIY cockroach trap offers a safe, affordable alternative that anyone can try at home. It's non-toxic, so you won't have to worry about harmful chemicals around your pets or children. And best of all, it only requires household items that you likely already have in your kitchen or bathroom. Not only is this hack easy to make and use, but it's also highly effective, drawing cockroaches out of hiding and helping you get rid of them once and for all. Imagine the relief of finally having a cockroach-free home, knowing they won't be making a surprise visit when you least expect it. Wrapping up, no one likes sharing their home with cockroaches, and with this simple, effective method, you won't have to. Using sugar, baking soda, toothpaste, and aluminum foil, you've got yourself a powerful tool for eliminating cockroaches without breaking the bank. Now you can say goodbye to expensive exterminators and toxic chemicals. So, why not give it a try? With just a few minutes of preparation, you'll be on your way to a home that's free from cockroaches for good. Place those foil balls, sit back, and watch as the cockroaches pack their bags and make a swift exit from your life.